Hey everyone, this is CuteNCraftyMommy, and I am bringing to you today a cute happy birthday card that I'm going to be doing for a little boy. And I wanted to share with you that you can actually get, these digi stamps for not only to color, but it also comes with the colored version, so you can have a quick thing. So I'm going to put him aside. I'm doing a 5.5 by 4.25 card. I'm working around my camera here, so I hope everything goes well here. I'm going to use my birthday paper pack. And I just put this, let's see here, 1/8 smaller than the actual card. I'm gonna put this inside, so let's put this aside. I'm gonna put, my nails are not working with me today. This cute piece to the side here. I like that. Then, wasn't coming off correctly. I'm just having troubles, aren't I? I'm just gonna go up top, but I'm gonna make sure that these match. Okay. I like that. Okay, that's really cute. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put him up like this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Get my scissors out here. Let's see. Put some foam behind him. How you guys doing today? Are you making anything crafty? What are you working on? Okay, let's move this aside. If you've bought any of my stamps, which ones have you gotten? Have you made anything with it? If you have, I would love to see a picture. It's really sticky. My daughter is 3 years old, and so she goes to lots of parties right now. That's cute. Okay. So I needed to have a card ready for that. Now I'm going to bring out my Tim Holtz. Just put that on there. Okay, I'm gonna do happy birthday sentiment from my old Scrappy moms. Let's see here. I'm going to use Bring on the Cake. No. Happy birthday to you. You just put it right on there to make it even. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna get my ink. I'm gonna do it in green today. I think that's cute. Oh, let's make it go down. Push it down real good. And do it one more time. I'm using Mowed Lawn Tim Holtz Distress Ink for my green. There we go. And take it off right there. Do it one more time, actually. There, I like that. Okay. I'll wipe this off. There we go. Take that away. And I'm gonna use this guy. Oh no. Okay, see, it happens to the best of us. I did the wrong side. I did the shiny side of the paper. We'll go ahead and put it right on the paper. Well, no, I can't do that. Okay, let me get a thing real quick. All right, I'm back. I just re-stamped it. And put that on the back. There we go. That's really cute. Happy birthday to you. Then I'm gonna put this on the inside. So I'd like to have a coordinating paper on the side that I'm not writing. Something to give it a little niceness. All right, and there's the finished card. You know what? No. I am gonna put little stuff. Let's see here. Sorry, just grabbing some stuff. All right. I'm gonna put, is this open? Sometimes it gets clogged. Okay. Now I opened it. Let's get it started here. My goodness. Take that off. Sometimes it takes a bit to get going, but once it does, you're good. Put that on his eyes. I think that's cute. Let's, yeah, leave it to his eyes. And then let's go ahead and add some Stickles. That's always fun, I think. And this one's stuck too. Let's open this one up a little. If you make a little mess sometimes, it's okay, especially if it's for a kid. Because they're just probably not going to color on it while the mommy's begging to keep it. There we go. I think that's, well, let's go at the end. There we go. Gonna tap the underside. Make it flatten. There we go. Okay. So that's the finished card. And if you want to, you could actually go in here, add a little extra, little stitching. Be cute. Get a little bit on myself here. I'll just take it off of there. There we go. I'm going to turn it so I don't hurt anything. When you think you're done and you're not done because you're just having fun. Hey, I rhymed. There we go. We can even put it here. There we go. What do you think? I think it's done. I think it's really pretty. Got some sparkle, got the eyes going. Better than what you could get in the store, right? Well, I hope you guys all like this, and please come back to CuteNCraftyMommy and we will do some more cards. Thanks.